So in this video I'm going to be trying to fix this. So this is a Dolce Gusto Nespresso machine, and it has a water canister on the back of it. This is, you wouldn't believe it, this is a new canister. This has been leaking for some time, and what we've been doing is basically just removing it from the back when we're not using it, and then that does stop it from leaking. So initially we thought that the problem is with this mechanism here, or maybe a minute hairline crack within the plastic, and it was causing it to leak. But if you put this here without it connected to the machine, it doesn't leak. But there is a little mechanism in there that lifts up. But yeah, that didn't fix it. So next thing we're going to do is just replace a seal on the back of the machine. So turning the machine around, and it's this seal in here that we're trying to replace. I've already ordered a replacement, and this is the part number here. Apparently this is a modified seal, obviously to stop this from happening. So we're going to have a go at trying to get this removed. So I'm just going to try and use a small screwdriver just to pick this seal out. There we go, got the seal out, and instantly I can feel that this rubber seal has gone really hard. It's not subtle at all, it's supple at all, it's really gone quite hard. So should just be able to replace it with this new seal. So as you can see, they have changed the seal. Hopefully it will just pop into place. I need a screwdriver just to persuade it. There we go. Once it got in there, it's seated absolutely fine. So we'll just test fit the water tank, make sure that that fits okay. That all looks good. So now just need to test it and make sure it doesn't leak. So I called this an espresso machine, and that's because I've got this adapter that allows me to use Nespresso capsules in the Dolce Gusto machine. So if you've not come across this, it only cost me about £5, but it does mean that you can use this machine for Nespresso and for Dolce Gusto capsules. So I've gone ahead and filled the tank with water, and I'm just going to leave it to sit there now and see whether it leaks. So far so good. Just used the machine this morning, and within probably a minute the whole of this was absolutely covered in water. So we'll check back in a little bit. So it's been a couple of days, and as we can see, no further leaks from this machine. Got the fluid reservoir filled up there, it's been sitting there, and we've got no more leaks from the machine. So that was a good repair. So yeah, if you've got this same machine, Nescafe Dolce Gusto, this is the mini variant, but I guess it would refer to the other larger size as well, and you've got a leak where water is coming out of the bottom of the machine, then replace this seal first. If this video has helped you, just a like and subscribe. They're both free of charge, but it will help me get the channel pushed out over YouTube. Thanks for watching.